back again. Are you excited? Because I am. And it's just water, in case you were wondering. Backstreet's back, alright. I was just trying to think of songs that are like, I'm back. That's the first one that came to mind. Got some water and a banana here. Oh. Health is wealth, apparently. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another creative look. Like I said, I feel like I only want to do creative looks until Halloween, in case you missed that. So if you didn't catch the first creative look, I'm gonna link it down below. I did the cloud makeup trend, and today we are going to do the crying tears. A lot of people asked if it was inspired by what is his name? Milk 1422, and it wasn't, but I did see the picture that you guys were talking about. It was more, I'll actually put the picture here. I can totally see how it looks like it is, but it was actually inspired, like the pink vibe and crying tears, from Amber Cart. Is that her name? Let me make sure that I'm saying it right. It was actually this that inspired me to do that crying makeup. So it's Amber Car Art. I just kind of felt that like whole pink vibe, but I saw some people asking if it was from Milk, who has amazing face charts, and I actually want to recreate this face chart, so maybe that'll be our next creative video. But the Amber Car Art is who I took inspiration from when I did that like blue she-devil. She has really cool, like, just, I don't know, like I really want to do this look like for Halloween, but I need somebody to be the pink or the blue girl, like Carly, mom. And she has like this really cool green one that I want to do. So she just has like really cool art that I like find inspiration from. So we are going to do the crying tear makeup today. I feel like I should put a background up. I don't like this background like when I do creative looks because it just looks too like lifestyle-y back there, but I feel like I'm gonna change it and put a backdrop up like right now. Better. I just like a more solid background when we're filming these kind of looks. So I'm gonna put a movie on. I'm not sure what movie. I'm thinking Center Stage. Classic. And also Beebe just went to go pick up orders of the Long Nails Are Die shirts, so we're gonna fold them all up. It'll take us a couple days to fold all the shirts. So yeah, if you guys missed out on the Long Nails Are Die tee when we first launched, make sure you check out NicoleGuerriero.com and follow me on Instagram because I usually post there like when shit is ready to go. So if you guys want to hang out with me for the next couple of minutes or so while we do our makeup, I would love it. I washed my beauty blender before I came and sat down and did all this, and I legit can't find it anywhere. This is why I couldn't find it. I thought it was a piece of trash. Oh, a little cat just laid down on my foot. All right, so what are we watching? What are we watching? It's not like I can even see it back here because I'm like in a little cocoon, but I can hear it. Let's eat this banana. Also, I cannot wait to change these little ass earrings. Like, what? Anybody under mom's chair? Okay, don't want to squish any small children. So to prep, we are first going to start with the Farsali SkinTune. I talked about this in my last video. I just think it is magical and your skin looks so good after this. For foundation, we're also going to again use the TooFaced Born This Way foundation. I promise I will use a new foundation in the next video, but this was here, it was next to me, and I really like it. Starting with the Lovelies palette from ColoredRaine, we're going to go in with the shade Daydreaming. We're going to start buffing this into the crease. When I first started, I wasn't going to do the hot pink, but then I quickly realized I want to again do the hot pink. So we're going to go into the Take Me to Brazil palette. I just like this palette because I find that it's pigmented and the shadows are easy to blend and there's a lot of color options. So like I said, we're going to take that hot pink shadow and start working that in the crease just to kind of build up the intensity of this eye. I feel like I've been doing so many pink looks. Maybe like not a lot that have made it to YouTube, but I feel like I just use pink eyeshadow so much now. Must break away. Taking the P.Louise base, we are going to cut our crease. In the original look that I posted on Instagram, I did not have a cut crease, but after I did the look and took photos of the look, I had wished that I did cut the crease. So that's what we're going to do today. The inspiration behind like me wanting crying makeup is I woke up sad one day just missing my grandma, and I saw that photo of just that pink eye with the tears, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and give myself some tears, just in case you guys were wondering and didn't see that actual photo. I was just sad one day, so I just took it out on my makeup. in case you were wondering. Moving on to the Norvina palette, we are going to take the shade Wild Child and pack this all over our lid, and then go back into the Take Me to Brazil palette, grab some more of that hot pink, and start closing in our corner of our eye. Taking this really little teeny tiny brush from Urban Decay, I'm picking up that same hot pink shade and just creating a stronger line above where we cut our crease, just so you see a little more definition in the eye. Like, it looks like my eyeball's glowing. For lashes, I'm going to use my Faux Flawless from my Eyelure collab. They're at Walgreens, just in case you were wondering. And for foundation, no, not foundation, girl, concealer, we are again using the TooFaced. I will not use this in the next video, okay? I'm going to hide this from myself, but it's really good, okay? That's why I use it all the time, but I'm going to hide it. And to set, I'm not hiding this, okay? I'm not putting this away. This is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. I use this to set my under eyes, and my whole entire face must have, can't live without, so I'm not hiding this. For bronzer today, I'm using this guy. I believe this is from the Victoria Beckham collection, so we're just going to bronze up the cheekbones, temples, a little on the chin, and then for blush, we are going to use this Jouer Coquette blush. I believe that's what it's called. After our blush is on, we're going to go straight into painting our little tears, and I'm going to use this pink from Snazaroo. Now, I realized that my camera was a little bright and you couldn't even see what I was doing here, but I legit just drew a little tiny teardrop. This isn't the original color I was using. I couldn't find the darker pink, so maybe that's why it was really hard to tell, but it was hard for me to see it like in real life. But just know that I'm just drawing a little tiny teardrop on my cheek and then drawing a straight line straight up to my under eye. I just think that this is the easiest way to create like a little teardrop on your face. And I'm going to draw one on the other side as well, just a little bit smaller. These are water activated face paints, so all you need to do is spray a little setting spray on them like I do, and boom, your paints will start working. Again, I'm sorry that it's like kind of hard to see, but I wasn't going to throw the whole tutorial away. No, I wasn't going to do that. You'll see it a little better when we start to define it, which is here. I'm just taking a little bit of black eyeshadow and creating a little shadow right under our tear, just so it has like a little bit of depth to it. I'm going to do that on both cheeks, and then I'm just drawing like a little black line right where the top of the teardrop would meet the line or the stream. I'm not sure how to explain that, and I'm sorry for that. So because we created a shadow, we need to create a little highlight on our teardrop as well. So you're just going to paint this right at the bottom. There's not even like a little, there's like a tiny gap of pink. There's like white, pink, black to kind of create the illusion that the teardrop is actually on your face. So if you ever create shadow, just always remember to create highlight. So I'm doing that at the bottom of the teardrop where the most weight is, and then right by that little black line that we created on the little line. Wow. Wow, Nicole. And if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm just kind of pulling that shadow down. There's no product on that brush. I'm just pulling it down even more so that the shadow is a little bigger. We're going to take that same hot pink shade and run that straight under our lash line. And the eyes are complete. I didn't put lower mascara on. I don't know why, but I skipped it for the look. For our lips, we're going to use this Makeup Forever Artist Pencil to line and overline the lips. And the lip color that I'm going to use is actually just the pink Snazaroo face paint from the big ass palette that I just showed you guys. I just felt like it worked best. It wasn't the same color, like I said, as in the original photo because I can't find where that pink is. I honestly don't know, but I liked how this one turned out as well, so it's just straight up face paint. And then to finish the lips, I'm using just this MAC lip gloss in the shade Snob. So once the lips are done, this look is complete. Just know that I'm not sad today. I was actually really happy, but I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the love lately, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.